Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to do a quick guess what's in the box video on this box right here. It's a pretty large box. I got it from my buddy Tony at Buffalo Auto Wrecking in New York. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Welcome to the channel. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. This is a item that I got from a buddy of mine, Tony, from Buffalo Auto Wrecking in Buffalo, New York. He had a couple Toyotas in his lot, and I asked him if I can get some information on the vehicles, what stuff did they have, and this should be a mechanical item for the vehicle that is inside the vehicle. I'll let you guys kind of figure out what you think it might be or guess based off of the information I gave, but we're just going to take quick measurements and we'll go from there. So this box is 17 and 5/8, 17 inches and 5/8 wide. It is 22.5 inches long, and it is 9.5 inches deep. Let's measure it again. That's pretty close. 9.5 inches deep. What do you guys think it is? It is an interior part. It is mechanical. It is, it's not necessarily door moldings or door cards or, console pieces or anything like that. It is a mechanical item. What do you guys think it is? This is out of a 2000 Toyota 4Runner. I am going to be using it for a 1997 limited 4x4. So it's 1996 to 2002. They all pretty close for most parts. Interiors changed throughout the years. Shifting assemblies and stuff like that has changed also. Some have J shifters, some of them have the 4Matic. The center console dash pieces also changed in 96, 97, 98. They are, the vents are pushed to the passenger side, the clock and the hazard switch and the defroster is pushed to the driver's side. We're on a 99, 2000. The vents are actually separate per side, so the driver vent is on the driver's side, passenger vent is on the passenger side on the centerpiece. And then the clock is then, instead of being on the driver's side, it's relocated to the center because they separate the vents. So there's few changes over the years, like the headlights on a 96 and 97, 98 had a lot, the glass had a lot more designing in the glass, so there was a lot more lines, horizontal lines going throughout the glass on the headlights. Where the 2000s, the glass was actually more clear. There wasn't very many design lines in the glass. They were actually kind of just a couple lines that showed, the design, but there wasn't like 100, 200 lines in the glass. The 96, 97 headlights, they were a little bit, the glass was a little bit hazy. That's the way they were made by Toyota compared to the 2000 and 99, 2001 and 2. They all had this very crisp, clear glass. So there's subtle changes between them, but essentially most of the parts, you can put headlights from a 2000 on a 97 or a 96. You can use the 96 grill on a 2000 or 2000 grill on the 96 or 97. Most parts are interchangeable, but what do you guys think is in the box? I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Just figured to give you guys some information. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I should have a demonstration for you guys in the next week or so on the differences between a 97 and a 2000 center dash radio bezel piece. But I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!